A story that dominated the headlines this morning and remains the top trending story at this hour. Who is to blame for the metal debris on I-95 North this morning, creating that huge traffic tie-up and damaging at least 30 cars? Let's get right to News Channel 5's Amy Littman with the latest on the investigation. Amy?
FHP needs help from witnesses to find the truck driver or the truck itself that is accused of dumping metal rods on the interstate right back here this morning. Now, FDOT admits that the people manning its cameras did not see anything happening in real time, and by the time it was over, it was too late. Blown out tires isn't the way anyone wants to start a Monday.
Damage to my headlight, flat tire, damage to the front bumper, and hopefully nothing else is damaged.
$600 later, 2 new tires and a tow ride.
The damage happened when about 30 cars hit debris along 95 between Lantana and Southern before 6 a.m.
I happened to see the car in front of me brake all of a sudden to dodge basically this big stainless steel beam that was in the middle of the road.
Those drivers are looking to someone to get their money back.
If this cost me $600, imagine what it's costing everybody else. And add it all up together, that's a lot.
And the person responsible would be the truck driver whose unsecured load went flying. But the problem is Florida Highway Patrol doesn't know who that is. And the cameras Florida Department of Transportation uses to look at traffic don't record video. FDOT says the people monitoring them rarely see something while it's happening because there are so many cameras to watch.
It was scary. Luckily, there were no major accidents because it could have been a lot worse.
While the truck driver could be held responsible for the bills that people had to pay back here when their cars got damaged this morning, the truck driver likely would not face any criminal charges from FHP because nobody was hurt. Reporting live in Lake Worth, Amy Littman, WPTV News Channel 5.